Hello everyone, let's see how to prepare biryani. So in the bowl add salt to the water, add whole garam masalas into it, add salt and keep it to the boil. After it comes to some extent, add or squeeze some lemon into it, squeeze all the lemon and prepare the masalas. Now here we took the masalas, vegetables, all vegetables, curd and everything which is needed for the biryani. We are making vegetable biryani here: coriander, pudina, nimbu, green chili, lemon juice and a microwave safe bowl. After that, take the basmati rice which was soaked in water for 1 hour. Take the basmati rice and pour it in to the water when the water gets boiled, and add the whole basmati rice into it and allow it to cook. Add all the rice, making sure that first the water should be boiled, and take potato and put it in the microwave safe bowl for the marination. Add all potatoes which are boiled and cut. Add capsicum, tomatoes, every tomato and onions, plain onions into the marinade. Add all the onions. After onions get added, take green chilies. I took 4 green chilies and I'm putting into that marinated bowl. I'm adding coriander and mint leaves. Add coriander and mint leaves into it, and add ginger garlic paste. Add all ginger garlic paste and fried onions, a bunch of fried onions in the marinade. Add it little more because it gives a crunch or a very nice texture into your biryani. Add curd, 1 cup of curd. Add curd and you can see all the ingredients, and add lemon juice into it. 1 lemon juice, I have added 1 lemon juice, and masalas: red chili powder, salt, turmeric and garam masala. Add it into the microwave safe bowl and take some clarified butter or ghee, add into it and mix it well in a paste. Okay, mix it well like so, seeing in the video, and make a paste. Add little more curd if needed. Mix it well, as it's cutted in the video, but you have to mix well. You can see like so. Mix all the things and add 2 big spoons of oil. I'm adding 2 big spoons of oil and mix it well. Okay, after mixing well, go on mixing until all the masala is getting. Mix it well. Now microwave it for 20 minutes in the oven, and I am taking Godrej oven here, and in the Godrej oven I am pressing the microwave button. After I press, it's in power 100, and I'm microwaving it for 5 minutes, or no, I'm microwaving it for 9 minutes. And keep the microwave bowl which has the contents of the marinade in the microwave, and switch on the microwave for 9 minutes and microwave it. After you microwave it, go near the rice and check how the rice is. It should be partially cooked. It should be cooked partially. So check the rice. When the rice is getting boiled like so, you check the rice very well, because we have to be very careful with the rice. I think this is done. Now you can close the gas and go near the microwave and check what is its position, and back to the rice. It is still cooking, and here the microwave is finished, and I am taking out the marinated bowl and opening the lid. You can see it is semi-cooked. When it is semi-cooked, add the rice. Sorry for the voice. Add the rice and spread it all over like so, what we do in the biryani for the regular biryani, and spread the rice. Top it with some crunchy onion, which is deep fried onion, coriander and mint leaves, and again add some marinated curry onto it and cover it with the rice again, like the first process which we have done, and spread the rice all over the microwave bowl, and again add some onions for the toppings. Onions, mint and pudina leaves. Oh, sorry, put the same mint and coriander leaves. Sorry, don't mind. And first, and you take the aluminium foil. You take the foil and cover the bowl. Cover the bowl like so. The microwave bowl. Cover this bowl with the microwave. After covering, you take the lid over it and go near the microwave. Put it inside the microwave and let's select the temperature. Bake it for 20 minutes in 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.
Or you can take 20 minutes. Stop it.
For 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the biryani pot from the microwave, and wow, you can see how perfectly the biryani is cooked. Open it and serve it hot in a plate with some curd and lemon. And you can see this biryani is very awesome to eat, and it's so yummy with simple ingredients. Please like my video and give me thumbs up, like so more videos are coming over this channel, so please be tuned and support me with your love, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.